Hi! In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the slope of a linear function given output and input values. That is, given some points. Enjoy the video! When we calculate the slope, we find the steepness of the line, or the ratio of change in output values to the change in input values. We can choose any two x values and their corresponding y values to find the slope. For example, I can choose this point here and call the coordinates for x1, y1. And I can choose this point and call the coordinates x2, y2. We call the slope m, and it equals the change in y divided by the change in x. The change in y is from this point to this point. This represents the change. And the change in x values is from this point to this point. These changes are called the delta y divided by the delta x. And we find it by taking the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then we find the difference between the two values. It doesn't matter which coordinate is used as the x2 and y2 and which is the x1 and y1, as long as each calculation is started with the elements from the same coordinate pair. In my case, y2 is 9 and y1 is 5. So 9 minus 5 over x2 is 3 minus x1, which is 1. Then we get 4 over 2, and that equals 2. So slope is 2. If we use function notation, it will look like this. M equals f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. This is the same as this. Now let's say we are given 2 points on a line and we're going to find the slope. The points are 3, -2 and 8, 1. I choose this one as x2, y2. And then this one is x1, y1. We find the change by taking y2, 1, minus y1, which is -2, and divided by x2, which is 8, minus x1, and we get 1 plus 2 is 3 over 5, which can be written as 0.6. Yes.